Moses here from GuitarChimp.com. Today I'm going to be playing a 2006 Gibson SG GT, and we're going to be checking out the Stone Deaf Effects Warp Drive. It's a super high gain pedal, and let's just hear it. So like a lot of their pedals, the Warp Drive has the paracentric EQ built into it. You've got this wonderful EQ knob here that can select between different capacitors so that you can cut through any mix, whether you need to be lower or higher, doesn't really matter. The built-in noise gate is fantastic. The cool thing about it is it can handle a lot of stacked gain going into the pedal if you want to do that as well, so that you can really cut it out. You can see that when we adjust it, you can take that noise gate not even much past about 2 o'clock and it starts to kill just what's in the pedal. So you can add a lot to it. For rhythm playing, it's really perfect. If you've got that sort of staccato rhythm, very heavy riff style stuff, you're not gonna get those bleeding notes in the middle. Pretty simple, just input, output. It does have an expression out, as do all of the Stone Deaf Effects pedals, so you can play with kind of phaser sounds and wah sounds. It's got a lot on the pedal and it's all beautiful. You've got noise gate here, you've got warp here, which is the amount of distortion you're dealing with, and it gets super heavy. It's almost a little overwhelming how heavy it can get, but still stay really clear. I'm a big fan of it. This pedal's fairly new in their lineup, and it's just a fantastic addition. So check it out if you can. If you guys enjoyed this video, as you probably do, and you probably love all of our videos, give us a like and a subscribe, and come over to GuitarChimp.com, check out the website, see all the neat stuff we have, look at pictures of how beautiful we are, as well as our pedals and our guitars and our amplifiers. And you know what? Be happy.